Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'm going to show how to set password on Google Chrome. First of all, open your Google Chrome app in your mobile device. And after you reach to the Google Chrome, on the top right corner there is your profile icon. Tap on that option. Over here what you have to do is select the manage your Google account option. And after that, on the top we could see, just simply swipe a bit until you find the security option. Tap on the security and scroll a bit down. Right over here we could see the passkey and security option and the password as well. Tap on the password option over here. In order to continue, you are required to enter your password. Simply type down your password. After that, tap on the next. In order to set, you simply type down the new password and confirm your password as well. After that, tap on the change password. And this is how you can reset the password on Google Chrome successfully. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.